In this example, let's say I work on the finance team and need to prepare the next strategic budget presentation. I begin in PDF Spaces, the workspace inside Acrobat Studio designed with security in mind. This is where I bring together everything needed for the budget cycle: financial reports, compliance documents, performance data, and prior board presentations to a single knowledge hub to stay organized and focused. I can add just about any document format, up to 100 documents, so nothing critical gets left out when preparing for leadership review. After uploading, PDF Spaces instantly gives me an instant overview, no prompt required, of key details about revenue trends, expense drivers, issues, and priorities, along with suggested goals for next steps. I cut through the noise and get straight to what matters. Next, I can go deeper by telling the AI assistant what to focus on. I can select a pre-built assistant or customize my own, naming it and defining its role. I create a finance assistant that understands organizational goals and helps surface budget trade-offs and risks. The assistant quickly surfaces risks and opportunities and other valuable insights. Every point includes clickable citations, so I can validate the source and dive deeper into the original document when needed. With a clear view of the challenges, I ask the AI assistant to generate a first draft focused on top priorities and trade-offs. I can save this as a note, then spend my time where it matters most, refining the strategy, validating assumptions, and layering in expertise. I can share the PDF space with colleagues so everyone has the same information and context. Now that the content for the presentation is built, I can take it to the next level with a professional design. From the Acrobat Studio home, I jump right into Adobe Express, where I can choose from a template, or start with a company's branded design. I bring in the text from my PDF space, then use Express's intuitive editing tools to add tables, charts, or embedded video. And with access to a full library of Adobe stock images and fonts, it's easy to create a polished, board-ready presentation. After sharing the draft with colleagues for review with Acrobat, I can see feedback comments in one place with the right context. Based on that feedback, I can easily update the image, either by generating a more relevant one with Firefly, which is trained on commercially safe data, or by selecting from the company's brand kit. That's the power of Acrobat Studio.